Hi, Real Trading Toolers. Here you have a quick tutorial on how to install TraderCompanion on Windows. After you receive the email from us with the download links, go to Download for Windows. Once the download is ready, open and click on Release. Then on TC Installer. Perfect! Now we are going to go through the installer. After the app is installed, you'll find the app on the desktop. Good. Open the app. In the license section of the app, introduce the same email as the purchase one, then type in your own serial key, like a password. Now go to Setup section and choose which platform you're going to use. Here you will see a couple of folders. To know which folder you have to select, go open MetaTrader. In the File section, click on Open Data folder, and there is the folder name that you have to select for the app to work. Give one click on the Good folder, then click Select Folder. Close and open again MetaTrader. And you should find TraderCompanion right here in the Expert Advisor section. Drag it over the chart. Tick all these boxes. And don't forget to activate algo trading up here. Now the app is ready for some trades. Let's get that bag.